A light touch on the surface of the wood, and then everything turns to poetry. On the coast, craftsmanship is like this, precious, made of patience, of precision, like a silent prayer. Workshops hide in the alleys, steeped in the scent of resin and history. Here, wood is reborn under masterful hands, each piece carefully chosen, each carving whispering a secret passed down from father to son. The blade carves, and shapes emerge. Tiny pieces interlock, following invisible patterns. Gold threads, maple veins, inlays blending like the tesserae of a mosaic. Days, weeks, sometimes months, time slips away, but the wood remembers every gesture. And when the work is complete, it is more than furniture, more than an object. It is history, tradition, art. Here, even the simplest carving becomes a marvel. Meraviso, authentic Italian experience.